If you are struggling to calculate, to figure out, and to really just make long exposure photographs work for you, then this is the course for you. In Camera to Completion Long Exposure Photography course, I actually go through literally from in-camera to the end result editing on my computer. I start off this course with a complete overview of everything there is to know about long exposure photography, the equipment that you need, including tripods and filter holders and everything like that. I talk about cable releases from software-based, app-based, to wired cables like this one. I then go out into the field. I brave the cold here in New Jersey and go out to the field to a beautiful lake and photograph a scene and show you step by step what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and how I'm doing it. We then come back to the studio and I edit those photographs in Adobe Lightroom, in ON1 Photo Raw, and in Skyloom's Luminar. By picking up this course, you are not only getting all the education that you need to get going with long exposure photography, but you are also getting a ton of bonus content. As my thank you for picking up the course, I am throwing in my ebook, Time is on Your Side, Exploring Long Exposure Photography, as a bonus with the course. So if you have ever been trying to learn long exposure photography, now is the time to pick up the course. I can't wait to see you there. Let's do this thing.